we say goodbye. You won't forget about me, right? Even though I'm out of your life.
Hi, this is Raksil and welcome back to another custom ROM review in my channel. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new video in the future. Alright, okay, let's go. Okay, this video is review about PixelPlus UI for your Redmi K20 Pro, and this is the unofficial build, and the Android version is 12.1, Android 12.1, or you can say Android 12.L. When you move the clock to 12 o'clock, you get to see the Easter egg of Android 12, and you have the latest security patch that is 5th May 2022, and the kernel is Soviet Star. SE Linux status is enforcing, that is good. And now let's go to settings. In system, you have our main customization gesture. You have 3-finger screenshot, it's working without any issues. You have quick tap to start actions. Right, just by double tapping on the back of your smartphone. Right now I have enabled take screenshot. Right, I will double tap on the back of my smartphone and it will take screenshot. Just see here. Okay, so this is working, right? Let's do it again. I will double tap on the back of my phone, it will take screenshot. Right, capture mode. You can take long screenshot. Right, it's perfect. Anyway, let's try long screenshot here. Capture mode. Let me take the entire screenshot of this page. Save. It's saved. Now let's go to photos, and here it is, the screenshot. Here it is. Let's see the details. The size is 1080 into 6270, right, and the size is 6.5 MB, and the quality is good of the screenshot. The quality of the screenshot is good, right? Okay, so this is the customization you get in this ROM, and you have buttons, system navigation, you have full screen gesture. Right now I have enabled this, so you don't see the navigation bar on the bottom of my phone, right? And you have edge long swipe action. These are the action. And you have end call by pressing the power button. Long press for calls. Answer call just by pressing the volume buttons, you get that. And click to pursue screenshot. Short click volume down and pause to take partial screenshot. That's fine. Okay, this is working. Alright, in status bar you have network traffic. Double tap on status bar to put the device into sleep. You have AM/PM style, clock position, battery styles. Okay, I think I won't need to show you this customization. In battery you have optimization profile, and this is also known as thermal profiles, right? You can enable game mode here, game mode, streaming application, performance. And now here, long press and hold in your home screen, you will see this type of Android 12L styles. You can change the wallpaper of your recent wallpaper just like this. This is the Android 12 feature. And in volume panel, this is the volume panel. And in widgets you have Easter egg, and in home setting the launcher is Google Pixel, you have at a glance, and on the top and on the left corner in your home screen you have Google Fit. And in quick setting panel, these are the tiles you get here. You have color inversion, data saver, extra dim, AOD, caffeine, reading mode, CPU info. You don't have much tiles here. Alright, now let's see the Antutu benchmark and Geekbench score. Let's open Antutu benchmark, and this is the Antutu benchmark score, 525162. That is average score for gaming. And in Geekbench score, here is the score. Single score is 757 and the multi score is 2505. This is also average score. Right, now let's see Drm Info. In wideband CDM you get security level L1, so you don't have any issue watching videos in your Netflix, Amazon, Disney, or playing games. So you won't have any issue with your sound watching videos or playing games. That is good. And in safety net, let's run the test, and all the profile is success. Safety net passed without any issue, so you can use banking application without any problems here. And you get Google Play Store certified out of the box. That is good. And this is the fingerprint, is smooth and fast.
Workshop. अरे नंबर क्या ऊपर है भाई? अरे यार वाइपर क्या कर रहा है भाई? रिवाइव उसको
Number 3, where are you, bro? Oh, reflex solo ta.
And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoy watching this type of content, then please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new video in my channel. And thank you for watching. Always keep smiling. Goodbye.
Even when we say goodbye, you won't forget about me, right? Even though I'm out of your life, you won't forget about me, right? Even when we say goodbye, you won't forget about me.